Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 9. If you have any doubts in a max questions, then you can just ask me in the comment section. I will able to solve it and upload it as soon as possible. Let's enter into our video, and this is our ninth question in the given figure. Here, this is the diagram given by them. This is the diagram which is given by them, and they are saying that angle ACB, that is ACB, is 90 degree, and even ACD is also 90 degree. From this itself we can see a small box over there. That means at vertex C the angle is 90, and even on this side it is 90. And if AB AB is 10 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter and AD is 17 centimeter, and we need to find AC, that is this line. This is called as median. This line AC is also called as median. First of all, we need to write given data, that is angle ACB and ACD is 90 degree. That means these two angles are 90 degree. Next, AB is 10 centimeter. So just note down it even in the diagram for our clear understanding. BC is 6 centimeter. So BC is 6 centimeter. And here AD is 17 centimeter. So AD line is 17 centimeter. And we need to find AC. This is what we need to find out, right? To find this value, you need to consider this right angled triangle. You cannot consider this right angled triangle. If you consider this, you won't be able to find it out, because see, this AC, this side is also unknown value, and even CD we don't know. We know only the hypothesis. Just only with hypothesis we cannot find out, right? Because we don't know either two sides of it. So you should not consider this part. So you have to consider the right angle triangle, that is ACB. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, this is the formula, that is hypothesis square is equal to square of sum of two sides, other two sides, this side as well as this side. Here, if you consider this right angle triangle, you have a hypothesis as well as one side value, and we need to find only one side value, right? So it is very easy using this right angle triangle. Now just substitute this value. What is AB? It's 10. So instead of this AB, just replace it with 10. And what is the value of AC? It is AC, we don't know. So you need to write it as it is, plus BC. BC is 6. So 6 square. 10 into 10. 10 square is nothing but 10 into 10. It is 100 is equal to AC square plus 6 square means 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. We need to find the value of AC square. So you need to get this 36 on the either side. When this 36 comes on the either side of equal to, it becomes minus 36. So 100 minus 36 is equal to AC square. Always when an integer comes from one side to the other side of the equal to, then the sign changes. That is, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. Here one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Put the bigger number sign. 100 is having plus sign. So just put plus sign and subtract it. You will get 64 is equal to AC square. Here AC square, right? But here we need to find the value of AC, right? So we need to remove this square. To remove this square, we are going to place a square root on the for this 64. So we all know that 8 8s are 64, right? Always check only with the same double number, that is 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 4s are. So 8 8s are will be 64. So AC is length of AC is sorry, this one. A length of AC is 8 centimeter. They have even asked for CD. I have just wrote the same diagram. This is belongs to the same diagram. So the given data will be same. And here they are asking us to find CD value, this length. Now, as we got the AC from this first section, it is very easy to find because we have one side length as well as hypothesis length. So we can able to uh, get the answer for this CD, right? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to CD square plus AC square. Always place a hypothesis on one side of the equal to, that is hypothesis is this part, the sliding part, right? So AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Just substitute the values over here, that is AD is 17, so 17 square is equal to CD square plus AC is 8, so just replace it with 8 square. We need to find the value of CD, so I am placing it as it is. Get this. Now just here it is 17 square, so just whenever it is 17 square you need to multiply 17 twice, that is 17 into 17, it becomes 289 is equal to CD square plus 8 8s are 64. Now get this 64 on the either side, it becomes minus because we are getting the 64 on the other side of this equal to. This equal to on the other side of this equal to. So the sign changes. So one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. You will get 225 is equal to CD square. Here they have asked the value of CD. But here we are having the value of CD square. To remove this square, you can just place this 225 in a square root. So square root of 225 is equal to CD. So 15 15s is 225. So CD, the length of the CD is 15. Now how to find here? Now let's learn how to find the square root of 225 in a long division method. Just put two lines and place 225 in between them, and now check with the first one number, that is 2, right? Just check with 2 because 1 ones is 1, right? And 2 twos is 4, but 4 becomes larger than this 2. So from this 2 you cannot subtract 4. That's why we are considering 1 into 1. So just on this side write down 1 ones. 1 ones will be 1. Just write below this 2, and since we are multiplying this twice, just write one number, that is 1 ones on the top. Just place 1 over here, and 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1, and we are going to get this 2 and 5 lower part to the over here. You are going to write down over here. From 2 if you minus 1 it will be 1, and 25 you are going to write down as it is. You are getting at a time 2 number because if you take 2, 12, if you consider 12, if you get only one number, then here if you place even 1, what it will be? It will be 21. But from this 12 you won't be able to subtract 21, right? So that's the reason you are getting two numbers down. I hope it's very clear. Now again with this 2 you have to place the same number twice. That is, it should be 2 2 3 3 4 4 like that. If you place 2, right? If you place 2, 2 twos will be 4. But for this 125 it is ending with 5, but here you are getting 4. So you won't get the answer when you place 2 2, right? So you can directly go for 5 because even 3 threes will be 9. You will get with last number as 9, but here it's 5. So 5 5s is 25. You are getting 5, right? So there are chances of getting the answer. 5 5s are 25, 5 twos are 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. Yes, you got the answer. So now you can just put 5 and 5. 25 fives are 125. 25 fives is 125. Since you are multiplying 5, 5, just place 1 5 on the top. So 15. Now subtracting 125 minus 125 will be 0. And the square root of 225 is 15. This is the long division method. In my upcoming videos, I will be uploading a short method for finding square root for the larger number for 5-digit numbers. So stay tuned to Max Made Easy. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. If you are not getting any answer for the max questions, you can just post me in a comment section. I will surely try to uh, upload that video as soon as possible. Thank you.